Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, August 1. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my brain. Got a ton of calls lined up.
I feel you. I've got a huge meeting this morning.
Same old. Running around for sales. Never a dull moment.
That's the office life. Always something to keep us busy.
Yeah, no rest for us. Hey, did you hear about that big trade news?
No, what's going on?
I saw on CNN that the US and European Union are setting up a new trade framework. They're talking about lower tariffs, like 15% or something.
Oh, that's interesting. Could be a big deal for companies.
Totally, maybe I can push more sales if stuff gets cheaper. Less hassle with costs, you know?
Right, it might help with my project budgets too. We're always looking to save money.
Exactly. Anything to make my sales numbers shine. I'm tired of explaining why targets are off.
I get that. A good trade deal could ease the pressure.
For sure. Fingers crossed it happens soon. We need a break in this business.
Agreed? Let's hope they finalize it without too many delays.
Yeah. No more waiting around. Hey, speaking of news, did you see that tech update on the Washington Post?
No? What's the latest in tech?
They're talking about new remote work apps. Big companies are using them to track projects and stuff.
Oh, that sounds useful. Managing remote teams is always a challenge.
Maybe for you, but I'm not sure about it. I just want to talk to clients, not mess with more apps.
I understand. But it could save time on boring tasks like updates.
True, but tech and I don't mix well. I still forget my computer password half the time.
Don't worry. I can help if you get stuck. Tech is a big part of my job.
Thanks, Alex. You're a lifesaver. I'll come running when I mess up again.
No problem at all. It's good to learn new tools step by step.
Yeah, I guess I gotta try. Can't stay behind forever.
That's the spirit. These apps might make work smoother for everyone.
Let's hope so. I just don't want more headaches on my plate.
Fair enough. We'll figure it out together if needed.
Deal. I'm counting on you. Oh, and one more thing. Did you see that culture story on the New York Times?
No, what's that about?
It's about how local festivals are becoming a huge trend this summer. More people are going to them for fun.
Oh, that's nice to hear. People want to connect after so much time indoors.
Yeah, I think it's awesome. I might take my family to one just to get away from work for a bit.
That's a great idea. I miss those community events. They're so full of life.
Totally, just good vibes, no office stress. I need a day with no sales calls.
I feel the same. A festival could be the perfect way to unwind.
Hey, what if we plan a team outing to one? Could be fun, right?
I like that idea. I'll check with the team and see who wants to join.
Cool. Let me know what they say. It'd be nice to hang out outside these walls.
For sure. It could be a good boost for team spirit. I'll send an email later today.
Perfect. I'm in for sure. Maybe we can all relax and forget about deadlines.
That would be a dream. A little break can do wonders.
Yeah, just some laughs and good food. No work talk allowed.
Agreed, we need that balance. I'll make sure to organize something soon.
Awesome. Can't wait to hear the plan. Festivals are the best way to chill.
They really are. I'll look for one nearby and share the details.
Sweet. I'm already excited. Hey, how's your project going, by the way?
It's moving along, but it's a lot of work. I'm always juggling tasks.
I bet. You've got a lot on your plate. I don't know how you keep it all straight.
Lots of lists and coffee. That's my secret.
Good plan. Coffee saves the day. I'm just trying to close a few deals before the weekends.
Keep at it. You've got this. Any big clients on the line?
Yeah, a couple. But they're tough to convince. I'm working hard to seal the deal.
I'm sure you'll get them. You've got a way with people.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate that. Just gotta keep pushing, you know?
Absolutely. Persistence pays off. Let me know if you need any help.
Will do. Thanks for the backup. Hey, how's the team doing with all the changes lately?
They're adapting, but it's not easy. New tools and processes take time.
Tell me about it. Change is always a pain. I'm still getting used to the new sales system.
Huh. It's a learning curve for everyone. We just need to stick with it.
Yeah, no choice but to roll with it. At least we've got coffee to survive.
So true. This coffee machine is our best friend. Couldn't make it without it.
Huh. You're right about that. I'd be half asleep without my morning cup.
Same here, it's my energy boost. What would we do without it?
Probably fall asleep at our desks. Hey, got any plans after work today?
Not really. Just catching up on some emails at home. How about you?
Same, maybe watch a game if I'm not too tired. Work's been draining lately.
I know the feeling. A quiet evening sounds perfect right now.
Yeah, just recharge for tomorrow. Always more to do in this place.
That's the truth. There's never a slow day around here.
Nope, always something popping up. Well, I better get back to my desk now.
Yeah, me too. I've got a pile of stuff waiting for me.
Same here, emails won't answer themselves. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. See you later.
Catch you at the coffee machine tomorrow. Take it easy.
Will do. Good luck with those sales calls today.
Thanks, I'll need it. Keep rocking those projects.
Huh, I'll try my best. Talk to you soon.
Time to get to work? Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.